We just want to flag this tweet from Elon Musk taking on Jeff Bezos and Amazon. This happened just about 10 minutes ago. Time to break up Amazon. Monopolies are wrong. That tweet was in response to a tweet from Alex Berenson. He is the author of a book, Unreported Truths About COVID-19 and Lockdowns, showing a screenshot from Amazon saying they will not sell his book as it doesn't comply with guidelines. And Kelly, there's so many layers to this whole thing. Elon Musk, of course, has been public in terms of denying the true impact of COVID, denying the classification of so many deaths, so questioning the death toll as a result of the pandemic. But then there's also the rivalry aspect between Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. You have the space rivalry, obviously, and SpaceX just had a successful launch over the weekend. And then also Amazon is an investor in Rivian, the EV startup. And that startup is going to supply Amazon with 100,000 vans for its delivery fleet by 2030. So there's a lot going on here.
You know, and it's funny, even as you outline all that, I'm thinking completely in the other direction about all of the censorship and so about social media that we've been discussing. You know, when people say, you know, when they look at what Twitter has done for the on the president's tweets, when they question whether Facebook should be intervening or not in political speech, this idea that conservative points of view are shut down throughout Silicon Valley, obviously Amazon's in Seattle, that will be given credence by Amazon's move here. I don't know the full details. I'm sure the company now will probably want to come out and explain what's behind this, but I'm thinking more sort of along the regulatory route here, the whole repeal Section 230, which has nothing, again, to do with Amazon. It just it goes back to the culture of some of these tech giants.
Right, and the notion of if you have some sort of a platform, do you have an obligation to flag things that might be perceived as not truthful? And perhaps Elon Musk is highlighting the fact that Amazon seems to be taking this route. There's also, of course, the government aspect of this. Amazon and Jeff Bezos squarely in the crosshairs of the Trump administration on many, many different levels, whereas Elon Musk has been favorably mentioned by Donald Trump for, you know, just as an innovator, and the Thomas Edison of our times is a phrase that he used. And, of course, the massive contract with NASA.
I'm curious if President Trump will weigh in on this when, you know, as this escalates, now that Elon Musk has weighed in, which he knows his comment itself will fuel that.
Yeah, exactly. All right. We'll continue to monitor all of this.